All right, now we're going to be looking at section 1-2 called Detectives Who Study the Past. I'm going to take a moment to look at how this section's organized and if there's any text features that stand out to me. I'm going to notice right away that Detectives Who Study the Past are broken into three subheadings. We've got archaeologists digging up the past, historians recording the past, and geographers mapping the past. I also notice that there's words in blue along the side, which are the uh, vocabulary words that we've been focused on, and I can see they're highlighted within the text as well. There's also a photograph here with a caption that says archaeologists look for artifacts to learn about the past. So here we go. 1-2, detectives who study the past. Scholars who study human society are called social scientists. Many social scientists can help us study the past. Among these history detectives are archaeologists, historians, and geographers. Archaeologists digging up the past. Archaeologists study the past by examining objects that people have left behind. These artifacts are anything made or used by humans, such as clothing, tools, weapons, and coins. When archaeologists discover a place that has artifacts, they ask questions like these: who lived in this place? When did they live here? What were they like? Then archaeologists study the artifacts for clues. Historians recording the past. Historians are the recorders of the past. Human beings have been around for such a long time that historians tend to focus mostly on the last few thousand years when people began leaving written records. Historians want to answer these questions. What happened in the past? To find out, they study all kinds of artifacts and documents. They read diaries and letters. Besides asking what happened in the past, historians try to understand why events happened the way they did. Geographers, mapping the past. Geographers study the natural features of Earth, such as water, landforms, plants, and animals. Geographers also look at human made features such as towns, roads, bridges, and dams. These scientists help us answer such questions as: where do people live? How do they use their environment to survive? Geographers often create maps to show what they have learned. Social scientists who study prehistoric history face a unique challenge: a lack of evidence from this period. In fact, huge gaps of time have no evidence at all. Therefore, scientists may come up with different answers or theories about humans, how humans came to be.